So hey guys, it's not an exciting video. I just want to share a product that I use to shine the tires up. I know there's so many products out there too. I've used a couple different ones. Some good results, some so-so. Last one I used was the Armor All. Didn't really leave it shiny. But I just washed the car up really well. So I want to put some tire foam on here. And here's what I use. And it actually works really well. Is this Black Magic Tire Wet Foam. For the price, it's $4 for a can. Does a really good job. Gives you that wet look, but not overdone, but it looks really nice. So here, just sprayed it on. Like I said, I've cleaned the tires already. Real basic. Now it says it's safe for the wheels, but what I like to do is after I spray it, I take a rag and I wipe it off the face of the wheel, because you will get it on there when you spray. And that way you never leave marks, especially on black wheels, just in case. You know, sometimes this stuff's pretty abrasive. It can leave marks on the wheels, and black shows everything. So one tip, just go ahead and wipe it off. Okay, let that sit for a half hour. Okay guys, so here's what it looks like after sitting. I didn't touch it. You just spray it on and let it dry. A little bit of glare, sorry about that. But you can see the look it gives it. Pretty good. Like I said, it's not overly, I've had gels before make it look really wet, but I like this look better. Gives it a nice rich black look, protects it. It said it lasts 2 weeks. We'll see if it does. Looks really good though. And like I said, for $4 a can, you can't beat it. Because some of the stuff I've seen, I mean, it runs upwards of $15 for a little spray bottle of it. You know, that's a lot of money to shine your wheels up. And from my experience, I would say a week and a half, depending on how much you drive, is pretty much the life of most of this stuff that you get. But definitely a finishing touch. Can't have a nice detailed car without cleaning your tires up. So again, nothing exciting. Just wanted to share. Some of you guys were asking what products I use. So I'll try to do little videos here and there when I use different products on my vehicles. What I like, what I don't like about it. You know, like I said, I've tried a ton too. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. If you want, leave comments below what you guys use. If you're blown away by a certain product, let me know. Like I said, I'd like to know some new items that I can try. Help to keep these cars nice and clean and protected. It's always fun. Again, appreciate all you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.